Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm just gonna show you how I made this delicious golden brown oven baked chicken, and it's just a simple recipe to follow. So without wasting time, let's pop into the kitchen and let's get cooking. Hi everyone, welcome back to Judy Africana TV. I'm in my kitchen again just to show you how I, bake my, chicken. I always think that I make the best chicken in the world. Don't come for me. So, I've got my chicken and all the spices. I'm just gonna show them to you one after the other. That's my curry powder, salt, the chicken seasoning powder, aromat powder, and another chicken seasoning right there. Chicken cube, I use just one. And I think I have my nutmeg as well. And the last but not the least, my grounded ginger. Very important to me. Okay, and that I've got 2 tablespoons of sunflower flour oil. Yeah, I've got my big bowl that I'm going to put my chicken in and my ingredients, and I've got the baking pan as well. So I think we're ready to start. So what I've done here is that I've taken half a teaspoon of all the ingredients I showed to you earlier, and then 1 tablespoon of the curry powder, put them in this small bowl, and I'm just blending them together before I get to use it. Okay, chicken has been waiting patiently in the bowl, and now I'm going to dump on it these spices, and I'll be adding the sunflower oil as well. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'm just using sunflower oil because that's what I like to use to cook. And now my hands have been washed already, and I'm going to give it a good mix. Please ensure you wash your hand thoroughly after this process to prevent cross-contamination. And now it's been transferred to a tray that has been waiting patiently to receive this beautiful chicken. So I'm gonna also cover this chicken with foil because I don't want it to dry out. I like my chicken to be moist, and I'm going to use a knife to pierce holes in it, just so that some steam can escape. And also, while doing all of this, I've preheated my oven to 230 degrees Celsius. So I'm just going to transfer it now. There we go, it's ready to go into the oven. I'm just gonna close it and bake for like 50 minutes, and we'll be back. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video if you like it. Hit the like button as well, and please don't forget to leave me your comments down below. Thank you. Okay, we are back to the kitchen, and the chicken has been baking for 50 minutes, and I've brought it out, and you can see it's golden brown and it's so moist. It's not dried out at all. But I'm still gonna pop it back in the oven for 5 minutes just to brown it up more, and then we'll be back to see the result. Okay, our chicken is very much ready, and I am so pleased with the result. You can see for yourself, how beautiful they look. And I can assure you the taste as good as the look. I know people always, say they marinate your chicken and keep in the fridge for maybe some hours before they get to put it in the oven. I've never done that. I always put my chicken straight into the oven and it just comes out nice and tasty. I believe the secret is how well you spice the chicken. And to keep the chicken from drying out while in the oven, please ensure you cover the baking tray with foil. That would just help it to keep it moist while it's baking. Okay, I've done all the talking. Now I just want to sit back and enjoy my chicken. I will be having this chicken with my favorite banga rice. Yes, sir. Did you enjoy my video today? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to leave me a comment. I would like you to like the video, or if you don't like the video, if you give it a thumbs down, just leave in the comment section and let me know why, so I can learn and improve. Please share my video, and with this I'm just gonna say bye to you. See you in my next video.